Before beginning, you will need the following tools: 10 snips, 3/4 inch socket wrench, 2 2x4s, 2 sawhorses, gloves, and safety glasses. With the pallet on a flat surface, make sure the handbrake is locked before proceeding. Using 10 snips, cut and remove metal bands that are securing the CommandRunner to the pallet. Release steering handle and lower it to the ground to access the lift handle. Using your 3/4 inch socket wrench, turn the bolt clockwise. Turn until the chassis is raised high enough for the lift handle to rotate freely. Proceed to lift the CommandRunner using the lift handle. Lift the CommandRunner high enough to allow for the 2x4s to be placed underneath, resting on the sawhorses. If you do not have sawhorses, lawn chairs may be used. Lower the CommandRunner down to rest on the boards and continue to rotate the handle counterclockwise to raise the lower chassis off the pallet. Slide the pallet completely out and away from the CommandRunner. Next, both axles will need to be lowered to the ground. Start by removing the left and right pins on the axle. Remove the pin located in the steering column. Rotate the steering column 180 degrees and reinsert the pin back at the bottom. Push the axle back until the holes are aligned. Insert the left and right pins, locking the axle into place. Repeat these steps for the back axle. Now you'll need to lower the wheels to the ground. Keep rotating the lift handle to raise the CommandRunner off the boards. Once clear, completely remove boards and sawhorses away from the CommandRunner. Lower the CommandRunner back down to rest on the lower chassis. Once lowered, your CommandRunner is now ready to be moved.